Hey guys, how's it going? Dr. Tate and Dr. Sarah here today. Yesterday, me and Dr. Sarah did an amazing hot yoga class over at Yoga 6, and it absolutely kicked our butts. But today, Dr. Sarah's low back is feeling a little bit sore, so we're going to alleviate that pressure there for her and get her some much needed relief. So today, that's her low back. We're assessing the L4 and L5, which are the last two vertebrae down there in that low back for her. Beautiful. And that's how you go about fixing it. Stay tuned, guys.